AI video generators are changing the game. Now you can make any kind of video with the help of AI. Even you don't need to present. Today, I will introduce our new virtual presenter Amelia to you. And yes, she is also created by AI. Hey Amelia, say hi to our friends.
Hello friends, how are you? Myself Amelia, the new virtual host of AI Ninja. I welcome you all to our and your beloved channel AI Ninja. From today, I will be also a part of your AI learning journey. Today, we will learn how to generate videos with an AI tool. Do you know, I am also made with an AI tool. Let's see how I was created. And the most fun fact is you don't have to pay a single bucks to make a presenter like me. So, what are you waiting for? Let's dive in.
Today I will talk about an AI-powered video editor. Whether you are a business owner, personal user, or professional editor, you can all with this all-in-one video editor. It has 500,000 plus music, 4,600 plus stickers, 1,300 plus texts, 1,100 plus effects, 200 plus filters. You can collaborate with your colleagues on the cloud. You can convert any text to natural sounding speech, speech to text, remove background, increase image resolution without losing quality, adjust your image color, repair your damaged photos, or bring them new life with colors, colorize your black and white photos, generate AI portraits in various styles, change the aspect ratio of your video, and increase video resolution without losing quality. And all of these are 100% free to use. It has a vast library of pre-built templates which will make your work easier. And guess which is this video editor? I am talking about the one and only CapCut. You can download and install it on your system or use the web version. Today, I will use the web version because it has a very important feature which is not available on the desktop version. Alright, after coming to the CapCut homepage, click on Sign Up for free. Now create an account with your email or Google account. Once you log in, you will find some tools like clips to video, script to video, long video to shorts, and product URL to video on your dashboard. If you scroll down, you will find a vast library of editable templates. You will find some other AI-powered features in the Magic Tools tab for various use cases. All of them are very useful. Today, I will only discuss about how we can create a virtual presenter. Let's come back to the start page. Now to create a video, click on the Create New button from here. Now you have to select the aspect ratio. Select the aspect ratio according to your platform. I will go with 16:9. Okay, this is our video editor page. Now, imagine I want to make a YouTube host or presenter. First of all, we need to create an environment. So, come to the Elements tab from here. You will find stock videos, images, GIFs, and sticker library on the Element tab. To create the environment, come to the Photo library. Now search for your desired image. For example, I am searching for living room. You will find a vast number of room images. Now find the best one and add it to the video timeline. After adding the image, adjust the size and position according to the need. Alright, our environment is ready. Now it's time to add the presenter. Come back to the Element tab and click on the back button from here. After that, find the AI character option. Click on the See All button. Now you will find all the CapCut AI characters. You can notice every type and kind of character available here. You have to just select the best one for you. For example, I am selecting this one. The character has been added to the video timeline, but it's added just before our environment. We need to replace the character position on timeline too. Now it's perfect. Let's play the video.
Hey, good to see you.
Now how can we insert our own script? To do that, come to the AI character setting from the right side of the page. Here you will find the options to customize the character. First, the appearance. Here you can change the character's appearance. Next, you can change the frame of the character. After that, the narration. We have to enter our script into this narration box. You can enter only 1,000 characters at a time. Okay, after entering the character, select a voice actor from here. First, listen to some of them, and then select which one is best fit for your character. After all is set, hit the Apply button. Now CapCut will take some time to generate the speech and lip sync with the character. Let's first forward this part. Alright, our video is ready. Now you can notice that the character clip is longer than the background. So we have to extend the background duration. Okay, let's have a look.
AI video generators utilize deep learning algorithms to automatically generate videos from various input sources such as text, images, or video clips. These systems employ techniques like natural language processing and computer vision to understand.
That's a perfect video. What do you think? Let me know in the comment section. Not only in one pose, you will find different poses and costumes with the same character. For example, here the same character is holding a camera in her hand and recording the video from the camera. Let's generate a video with this pose and have a look.
They can be used for a variety of applications, including content creation, video summarization, and personalized video generation.
Wow, that's impressive. And this one is walking. Let's see how it's looking.
London streets are a vibrant tapestry of history, culture, and diversity. From the iconic landmarks like Big Ben and the Tower Bridge to the bustling markets of Camden and the serene parks like Hyde Park, each street tells its own story.
I am just impressed. Now anyone can make realistic travel vlogs with this character and stock footage. That's really impressive. Not only that, but with CapCut AI characters and videos, you can make news videos also like this one.
Whether it's the charming cobblestone lanes of Covent Garden or the bustling thoroughfares of Oxford Street, London streets offer a unique blend of old-world charm and modern energy, making them a captivating experience for locals and visitors alike.
If you want a detailed video, then let me know in the comment section. I will make a separate video on it. Alright, after generating the video, you can add music, text, captions, transcript, effects, and filters to make your video more engaging. After all is done, click on the export button from here to download the video on your device.
Alright friends, I will wrap up our video now. Before that, I would love to hear your opinion about presenter creation with AI. Share your thoughts and results in the comments section below. Don't forget to like this video if you found it helpful and subscribe to our channel for more amazing tutorials like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, happy creating!